Hello everyone, today we are going to see new campaign by Google Crowdsource. That is Share Your Script campaign. So let us understand what this campaign is and how you can help millions of people in the world. As we all know, millions of people are coming online for the first time. Nearly 800 million people in the world struggle to read. Understanding text in a foreign language can be difficult for those visiting a new country. Those are just a few reasons why Google built a text-to-speech feature into Google Lens. The agenda of this video is to understand what OCR is, next share your script participation guide, and about the fun activity. Literally, OCR stands for optical character recognition. It is a widespread technology to recognize text inside images, such as scanned documents and photos. OCR technology is used to convert virtually any kind of images containing written text. It may be typed, handwritten or printed into machine-readable text data. Let's go back into the history. The optophone was invented in 1913 by Dr. E. Fournier Daub, a lecturer in physics at the University of Birmingham. This device translated the printed page into sound. Reflected light from the machine's selenium cells produced musical tones corresponding to the typed letters on a page. Fournier Daub claimed that the device would enable totally blind persons to read ordinary books and newspapers through the sense of hearing, and now, the Google Lens. Just scan some text with the camera and hit listen. This works with single words and even full paragraphs. Now, let's take the example of OCR. At first, capture an written image in Google Lens app. It will recognize the text and understands the structure. Then translation and context is done, and it will read the text out loud. The OCR can be used for translating restaurant menus, signboards, quickly scanning and storing business cards, reading handwritten or printed texts, enabling accessibility for the people who are blind or visually impaired, and a lot more. For OCR models to recognize handwritten text, they need to understand diverse languages, scripts and written style across formats. You can also train OCR models through this campaign. Now let's see how you can participate. There are 4 steps to participate. At first, you need to fill the participation form. The link of the form is given in the description. Now in that form, enter the email account associated with your Crowdsource account. Then select the languages that you will be contributing in. And enter the referral source. In step 2, click the pictures of handwritten passage in your native language. It could be of minimum 3 to 6 sentences. You can contribute in 3 formats, such as passage, list, and notes. In passage, you can write about anything you want. In list, you can mention list of anything. It could be list of cities, countries, or anything else. In notes, you can make note of things to remember, or it could be recipe. In step 3, upload your clicked images on Crowdsource using image capture task. Then in step 4, label your picture with 3 tags that are script, language you have used, and note or list or passage depending upon your picture. You can upload pictures of handwritten text that you already have, or can write new content by following the broad guidelines that we shared for each format, like passage, list, notes. The more diverse styles that you can get, the better it is for OCR models to learn. So, that was 4 steps of how to participate. Submit as many contributions as you can by December 19, 2020. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find it helpful. See you in next video. Happy crowdsourcing.